All right, let's head over to the tennis courts now. One last go. Jamaica's top junior tennis player, Alyssa James, is hoping Flushing Meadows will be her last stop on the ITF Junior Tour. The 18-year-old is now looking to swing her racket on the big stage with the professionals. More in this report.
When 18-year-old Alyssa James swings her racket at the US Open, it could be the last time that she will be playing junior tennis. This as she plans to call it time at that level. It means going professional will be the next step.
I definitely want to start playing some professional tournaments at the end of this year, and I hope to build my ranking in the next coming years, so eventually I can play all the professional Grand Slams.
James will be heading off to the University of Virginia, where she'll be reading for a degree in business management. But she will remain devoted to the sport that she's been playing from the age of 3.
And it's been something that's such a constant in my life, and I could not imagine my life without it. It's brought me so many opportunities that I'm very, very grateful for, and I wouldn't have without tennis. So I'm grateful to the sport and to the people around me.
And the people around her are largely family.
They've always supported me in my tennis aspirations since I was very, very young. So I think that has been super helpful. When your family has confidence behind you, it really instills confidence in yourself. And my family has been a huge support.
Alyssa's father, Marcus James, was the one who introduced her to the sport. And he says it took a lot of consistent work to get her to this level.
And I always say that when you see a player who has developed and reached a certain level, then you really have to give a lot of respect and applause to the support team, because it takes many, many, many years of diligent work.
And with that work placed into Alyssa's game, James believes she has what it takes to move to the next level.
Again, it just requires consistent work on her part. She's going to college, and what that means is that she has to take more ownership of her development and really be locked in to make sure that she continues to progress at university.
While at university, Alyssa will be supported by the school in what could be an expensive venture.
It's something that we have been funding from, she was 3 years old. It's expensive, but we find creative ways to continue to fund her dream, and that is what I plan to do.
And there's Alyssa James, who has watched her sister grow on the big circuit.
It's super inspiring to always watch her and seeing the work she puts in at home and seeing her be able to do that in front of big crowds, and the work she put in at home paying off, and you can see how it has helped her and how she's improved is really inspiring to see.
Alyssa is also a tennis player and hopes to one day emulate her big sister.
Just seeing someone in your family do it makes it seem more like a reality and something that's more possible than just seeing other people do it. Having someone in your family that has done that makes it seem more achievable. Alyssa
will be playing singles and doubles at the US Open Junior Tennis Championships, which serves off on September 6. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.